My version of fried chicken, usually I use dark meat, but I'm going with white meat chicken breast and this seasoned flour mix. I love this stuff. Is I whisk one egg, and then dip the chicken on both sides in the egg mix and then put it in the flour mix and put it in the pan. I use canola oil, but you can use whatever kind of oil you like. Just enough to saturate the pan and get the chicken all nice and fried. Use an air pan fryer. That's usually the best way with the cover. And that will get all the juices locked in and it will cook good that way. Make sure you get the chicken coated really good on both sides with the seasoning flour. And also make sure that you defrost the chicken and remove any skin before you cook it and put the flour on it. Or else it's going to take forever to cook. And it might not cook good all the way. This is my favorite tool in my kitchen. Tongs. This is perfect for flipping the chicken over. And then you don't have to worry about burning your ham. Okay, that's the finished result. Technically, it's not fried chicken, but technically it's delicious. There's a little crisps on the end, so you get that crunch, but the seasoning is what makes it, oh. I'm going to cut it open now and see how it came out inside. Just to make sure it's done. Looks done. Looks pretty good. Maybe another minute or two. Now this is white meat. I never used the white meat before. I'll do a taste test in a minute. This goes very good with the dark meat, but we'll try it with the white and see. Well, I finished the chicken. Conclusion, I think it's better with the dark meat, the dark chicken thigh meat. If you make this recipe, try that first.